Cake Walk, a Jamaican wedding tradition. In Jamaica, long before cameras could snap pictures, there was a sweet way to share wedding joy, the cake walk. And today, 10-year-old Shenika gets to carry her very first wedding cake on her head. Shenika's Aunt Pearl, the village baker, places a towering rum cake on a padded tray, then says, "Remember, Shenika, no wobbling, no rushing, and absolutely no tasting." Shenika, replying nervously, says, "But what if I drop it? What if a goat runs at me? What if?" Auntie Pearl laughed and replied, "Then you'll have to marry the goat. Now steady your neck like a queen and let's go." Shenika joins a line of women and girls, each balancing a different cake on their heads. Miss Ivy's coconut drops bouncing slightly. Granny's black cake so tall it nearly touches the top of the mango branches. Little Roshan's tiny banana bread, her first try. Through the village they glided, past the school, the barber shop, even Mr. Henry's very curious donkeys. Then disaster strikes. A gust of wind blows Shenika's scarf into her face. The cake wobbles, Shenika gasping, "Oh no, oh no, 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 no." Just then, her best friend, Demario, starts drumming a rhythm on his lunch tin. Tap, 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 tap. The crowd joins in, clapping to the beat. With the village cheering her on, Shenika found the rhythm and her balance. At the bride's house, the cakes are revealed, perfect and proud. The bride, who was very teary-eyed, "When I see these cakes, I see all my loved ones carrying love for me." Shenika then whispered to Demario, "Next time you try carrying the cake." Demario laughing, "Only if I can wear a really big hat." Years later, Shenika, now a baker like Auntie Pearl, watches her daughter carry a new cake in a new cake walk. The community cheers just as loud. And so, the tradition lives on, because in Jamaica, happiness isn't just shared, it's carried high for all to see.